Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this session we will talk about the how to do registration for the NEET SS on MCC platform and what are the different steps. The seat matrix is also published and we have the clear vacancy. The virtual vacancy is not published yet, but when you do the registration you go for the choice filling, you are able to see more options than available in the clear vacancy, which is nothing but the virtual vacancies. We are expecting the virtual vacancies to get published in a PDF format so that the students will be more clear about where it is. And in case you are interested in our paid counseling, then you can look for the packages where you can visit neetmentor.co.in and you can see all these packages. Okay, whichever is more suitable to you and affordable, you can go ahead and click on that. There are two packages where there is no call support, 3000 and 7,500. What you can access in that, you can access the previous year and previous rounds closing rank along with the fee structure, stipend, bond details, uh, and other details. Okay, you can also get like choice filling for DRDNB, private institutes including deemed and government institutes. Okay, and after the payment this lock symbol will be removed and then you can access all these things. Anything which is not updated, it will be updated over here for the stay vacancy round. Okay, these all things you can access, and you can also predict your colleges what sort of options possible in your group rank and which branches you can get. Okay, so it's going to be useful. Like let me directly jump to the section how to register for the counseling. So first you will go to MCC and then go to the section super specialty. Those who are doing it first time, it will be helpful because we are explaining it step by step. So click on new candidate registration. Those who have already registered, they can directly sign in. Once you click on new candidate registration, these all text will be there, so you can read it out and then click I agree. Then it will ask you to fill these details. Make sure that these details you fill it as matching as per the scorecard. Your name should be exactly matching with the scorecard. Application number starting with SS, mother's name, candidate name, date of birth, and this security pin. Once you enter, these all things will be detailed, shown over here, and then you can set your password and remember this password. After you set the password, you either can send the OTP on email or mobile number. Then we need to verify it. You verify, then you will go to the next step, means now your user credential is created. Anytime you can log in with your roll number and the password that you have created. You need to fill basic details. What are those details? First click on the fill the application form. It will ask you to enter details like category, that is general for everyone, marital status, and then do you want to apply for AFMS institutes. Okay, now the age limit is also shown over there. Okay, age limit is 30. Okay, so if you are not applicable, then you select no. Next, this is very critical. Many students have asked like what to be entered over here. Degree exam date. Degree exam date is for PG. When you wrote your PG examination. Okay, so it's for the final paper for your PG examination. There is a eligibility criteria that 30th of April is the last deadline for your examination. If you have taken the examination after 30th of April, then you are not eligible. So you have to mention here true value only, but before 30th of April 2025. And in the course select the whichever degree you completed, medicine, surgery, pediatrics, whatever, it will be listed out. Okay, then submit it. Then you enter your correspondence address. Nothing to worry about it. Nobody is going to reach out there, and there is no verification process. Next, these all things will be shown over here, including your photograph and all. So you verify these details and then click submit. Once it is submitted, you can't change it later. Okay, so once you make sure that everything is correct, after you submit, it will ask you this instruction in red color. It is showing that once a candidate opts third round, it cannot be reversed. Means you can't change it. Okay, that you want to opt or you don't want to opt. Okay, already admitted candidates retaining any seat which they have already secured admission, but in case a new seat is allotted, though suppose you have got like already good seat, but you do some mistake without proper judgment about the review of the colleges, you try to upgrade and you got upgraded, then you can't take back the previous institute. It is already allotted to somebody else, because whatever your seat is there, it is coming under virtual vacancy. So you got seat upgraded, the virtual vacancy is now the clear vacancy and it is getting allotted to somebody else. So you can't take back your previous seat. Okay, so select yes, you want to participate in the third round of the counseling of NEET SS. Do you apply FMS institutes? Okay, in case you didn't select over there, then you select no interest, not interested, and you enter username, password, then you submit it. Okay, now you have completed your other details also, and along with the user credential. Now it's time to do the payment. As long as you don't do the payment, you won't be able to do the choice filling. So select online payment, then I agree. It will ask, it will show up your details, and there are like these are like payment gateways. Okay, it's not like these banks only are accepted. Whichever bank you have, all are accepted. These are the payment gateway. Okay, select any payment gateway. You can select like HDFC also, then proceed. So these are the three options. Okay, so that's very important question that everyone asks, like how to make the payment of 2,05,000. So amount is 2,05,000, whether you are going to apply for the government only, for DR DNB, or all other type of colleges, you have to pay the same 2,05,000. Out of that, 5,000 is the registration fee and 2 lakhs is refundable. Okay, so there are three modes of payment: credit card, debit card, and net banking. Okay, in case you think that okay, you will do NEFT, it's not possible because they don't provide you the bank account details. So you can't go to the bank and there is no challan copy. Okay, so no DD. So you have to do either through debit card or credit card or net banking. In case you don't have it activated, try to call your customer care or try to reach your bank and get it activated. If the limit is less, inquire with the bank what is the limit and you can increase the limit. Limit should be 2,05,000 plus, means 3 lakhs or 2 lakhs 50,000 plus, then it will be done at once. Okay, you can't use UPI mode because it's out of the limit. So that's how you will do the registration. Once registration is done, then you can do the choice filling. I'll try to create another video, live demo how to do the choice filling. I think it's self-explanatory, but still some tricks are there which will help you how to do the choice filling, how to select the colleges in your city in easy way. Okay, because city selection, city drop down and state drop down, those things are not there, then how to do it. Okay, so we'll meet again in other video. Stay tuned, and those who are interested in our packages, you don't have much time to do the choice filling. 4 days are given, but still 4 days are sufficient, more than sufficient. Okay, and don't make the choice filling as soon as you complete the registration process. Think about it like how to arrange, because once you enter in the system all the choices, you want to change it, it is like difficult task. Okay, so better to assure that you have the list handy and then you have to just enter into the system. Okay, that's all from my side, and we will meet again.